Hello there, YouTube. Today is Friday, September 18th. I took a couple hours off early. I didn't get my day off this week. I don't know why. I just worked. Needed to work. I had some subscribers asked me to show my GPS mount on my Spyder, and I will. I'm sorry I haven't gotten it to it yet. I appreciate every one of you for subscribing and watching my videos. You don't know how much that means. I mean, who would have thought people would want to listen to me and watch me ride my motorcycles or trikes? But I completely appreciate it. But I will, maybe I'll try and get to this today. Sorry, I don't have your name right in front of me, but one wanted to see how I mounted my GPS, this GPS right here on the Spyder. Let me go around this guy. Sorry. And one wanted me to show how I can fit two full-face helmets in the tour pack on the Spyder. But honestly, to do that, you can have nothing in your tour pack but those two helmets. They do fit. I've done it. But you can have nothing else in there. I mean, nothing. Because I don't know, I haven't tried it in the Goldwing. It's got a pretty big tour pack too, but I haven't tried it because I always keep all kinds of stuff in there. I got like different visors, and you know, like I have a clear visor now, but I have a dark visor, and I keep stuff in there. Oh boy, now this guy decides in the wrong lane. Oh, that's why somebody stalled up here. Oh, he got to go, dirtbag. But anyway, I will do those videos, and honestly, I don't remember where I got that. There's a longer bolt that goes into the handlebar, and I bought it from one of the Spyder people. I just don't remember where, and I've looked for it. I can't find my, the order that I've done. Usually I save them, but it's a longer bolt, and then it's a ram mount. And so this just goes right like this. This is a ram mount. It goes right to the ram mount and right there. So I just don't remember where I got it, but I can show it to you, and you can Google it if you're interested. And then I'll put the helmets in the trunk, of course, and I'll probably do that today when I get back. There's a truck stalled there. Oh, this is going to be great. See this Foodies place? If you're in Texas anywhere, they're going to have a Weekles bakery there. I have to go to LaGrange to go to that bakery. And it's incredible. It's like a Czech bakery, I think, and they got incredible stuff. They got, my wife loves the apricot bars that are like shortbread, and then the apricot and then more shortbread. They're really good. So they're going to open that up. That's going to be fantastic. I love that place. Now I don't have to go all the way to LaGrange, but we're going to miss that when we move next year. We're actually moving. I live in Leander now, Leander, Texas. Lived here for 35 years. My wife and I moved here. I was probably 25. She was probably 22. We moved here as kids, believe it or not. Got a job and packed up, moved here, found an apartment once we got here in our 20s, and we've been here ever since. But anyway, my kids are grown. They've been grown. I got one up in the Dallas area. He lives in Fate, Texas. He's 31. And then I got my youngest one is kind of still in New Braunfels, and his wife is still going to grad school. So I don't know where they're going to end up. But if we all end up there, maybe they'll come up that way too. So, which will be kind of nice, because I'm in this Leander, and I have no kids here anymore, and there's no reason for for us to stay here. My kids got to travel 3.5, 4 hours to come visit, and that's kind of a pain. So that's the idea of moving up there. We'll probably be about 15 minutes from them. We're building a house. So we built the house we're in now, but 35 years ago. So we're getting, my wife's excited. We're excited to have a new chapter, start a new chapter in our lives. So looking forward to that. They should, we're going up there next weekend, and they should be breaking ground because we did sign the contract. Everything's a done deal, gave them a bunch of money, and so they should be breaking ground. That'll be exciting. My lot is nothing but a forest, so they have to take some trees down to make room for the house and the shop. But it's going to be exciting to go through that again.